Hello, friends. I'm your one and only German guru. So, before we start today's lesson, bring your hands together for our moms on the occasion of Mother's Day. There is a slight change in today's topics. So, we will learn some masculine and feminine words in German. So, let's start. Vater is father in German and its pronunciation is Vater. Vater. OPA is grandfather in German and its pronunciation is Opa. 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 ONKLE is uncle in German and its pronunciation is Onkel. Onkel. BRUDER is brother in German and its pronunciation is Bruder. Bruder. FREUND is male friend in German and its pronunciation is Freund. Freund. MUTTER is mother in German and its pronunciation is Mutter. Mutter. OMA is grandmother in German and its pronunciation is Oma. Oma. TANTE is auntie in German and its pronunciation is Tante. Tante. SCHWESTER is sister in German and its pronunciation is Schwester. Schwester. FREUNDIN is female friend in German and its pronunciation is Freundin. Freundin. The topic of my next video will be some common sentences in German. So, auf Wiedersehen.